No more what should I pack tomorrow? Monday to Saturday lunchboxes are sorted with these wholesome and super filling recipes. If your kids say no to spinach, the softest paratha you'll ever pack for your kids' tiffin. Every morning, I have just one wish, that my kids come home with an empty lunchbox. But finding something that's healthy, soft, and tasty every single day isn't easy. So today, I made these super soft aloo palak parathas that my kids absolutely love. I blended a bunch of spinach with ginger, garlic, green chili, curry leaves, and 2 boiled potatoes into a smooth paste. Then I mixed it with 2 cups of wheat flour, ajwain, sesame seeds, and salt to make a soft dough. The best part? These parathas stay soft for hours, making them perfect for school tiffins or even a quick family breakfast. Healthy for the kids, easy for moms, and so delicious that not a single bite comes back home. You won't believe how incredibly soft and delicious these rotis turn out. They're naturally sweet, so kids absolutely love them. First, boil 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes and mash them really well. Add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, a little salt, and a splash of milk. Mix everything together and knead it into a soft dough. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes. This helps the flour absorb the moisture, making the rotis softer and easier to roll. These rotis are packed with fiber, vitamin A, and complex carbs, giving kids long-lasting energy while supporting healthy eyes, digestion, and immunity. Save this recipe and give it a try for your little ones. If you're looking for a healthy dessert that kids actually get excited about, this is one of my children's all-time favorites. Today, I'm making this wholesome broken wheat sweet that's perfect for an evening treat or even a festive dessert. First, wash broken wheat well, add water, and pressure cook it for 4 whistles. Once it's soft, add a pinch of salt and some hot water. Now mix in jaggery and stir until it melts completely. Add crunchy cashews and fresh coconut chunks, then pour in a half cup of milk. Finish with a little cardamom powder, give everything a good mix, and let it come to one final boil. Bottle gourd is one of those vegetables that often stays in the fridge because no one gets excited to eat it. But sometimes, all it needs is a different way of cooking. Turn it into a thali peet, and it becomes something the whole family can enjoy. It's simple, wholesome, and perfect for busy mornings. The bottle gourd keeps it soft, while the combination of flours makes it filling and nutritious. It's a great option for school lunchboxes because it's easy to pack and stays soft for hours. If you enjoyed this healthy lunchbox idea, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes. Looking for a healthy snack that's simple, tasty, and lunchbox friendly? Then you have to try this. It's made with everyday ingredients, comes together in just a few minutes, and kids absolutely love it. You know what? Sometimes the simplest recipes become the biggest hit with kids. This is one of those recipes in my home. Whenever I have some paneer in the fridge, I quickly make these crispy vadas. Just add grated lauki, grated paneer, green chili, jeera, besan, suji, salt, and a little water. Mix everything into a soft dough. Shape them into small vadas and deep fry on medium flame until they're golden and crispy. They're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and make such a wholesome lunchbox snack. Do save this recipe and try it for your family. I'm sure they'll love it. Saturday mornings always feel a little rushed, but kids still expect something yummy in their lunchbox. So today, I made this quick and colorful pasta in just a few minutes. Boil the pasta, sauté garlic, oregano, chili flakes, onions, and your favorite veggies. Add pasta sauce, toss everything together until well coated. That's it. Don't forget to save this for your next busy weekend.